Have you ever missed out on conversations because of ringing in your ears or muffled sounds? Felt frustrated that your focus drifts, your ears buzz, or you struggle to hear clearly, especially in noisy places? You're not the only one. Many people go through this every day, but often there's a solution just waiting to be found. Introducing AudiSoothe, a natural hearing and ear health support formula designed to help you reclaim clarity, reduce unwanted noise like buzzing or ringing, and sharpen your mental focus. It works gently, without surgery or invasive procedures, targeting the root causes of ear discomfort and hearing strain. With carefully chosen herbal extracts and beneficial compounds, it supports healthy ear nerve function, enhances circulation in the inner ear, and helps with brain-ear communication for clearer sound perception. Imagine going through daily live chats with friends, watching TV, being in a crowded room, and finally hearing every word clearly. No more turning up the volume, no more asking people to repeat it. Think how much energy you save when your brain isn't constantly working to filter out noise. That stillness, the relief from constant ring, the joy in simple soundsbirds, music, laughter, all more vivid and present. You don't need to wait months to see change. With consistent use, many users report noticing improvements in clarity, reduction of ear ringing, better sleep, sharper attention and focus after a few weeks. And yes, this is something you can start feeling as part of your routine, just a few drops or a daily dose. While you go about your day, don't let another moment slip by. Click the link in the bio/description to learn more about AudiSoothe, explore its ingredients, and discover how you could begin restoring calm and clarity to your hearing. Because everyone deserves to hear life in full color.